A student enrolled in this 2-year career program benefits from a combination of classroom instruction and hands-on experience needed to carry out repairs on motor vehicles. Students benefit from the use of Inter-Industry Conference on Auto Collision Repair Enhanced Curriculum, or ICAR. 1-year seniors will be considered if space is available in the program. Career objectives include automotive refinisher, sheet metal/cosmetic repair person, frame/structural repair person, automotive refinisher's helper. This is one of only 17 secondary programs in Pennsylvania certified by the National Institute for Automotive Excellence for meeting industry standards. Students can earn certifications in safety and pollution prevention, ICAR points. The collision repair technology is an approved member of the ICAR Industry Training Alliance. With this alliance certification, Eastern's collision repair technology students now have the option of earning ICAR points for training completed while at Eastern. Students may qualify for advanced placement college credit at Penn College of Technology. With higher education, this program prepares the student for success in such career fields as automotive, marine and aeronautic service, new car design, manufacturing representative, insurance industry damage appraisal and testing, race car fabrication and vehicle engineering, metal fabrication, safety design engineering, technical writing, consumer information technologies, collision test engineering, and teaching. Students have continued their education at ATC, Lincoln Tech, Montgomery County Community College, Ohio Technical College, Penn College of Technology, Penco Tech, and UTI.